Hey there! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to talk about two important aspects of healthy eating: meal planning and grocery shopping. If you struggle with eating well during the week, these tips will help you stay on track. What is meal planning? Meal planning is the process of deciding what meals you'll eat in advance, and then preparing for them accordingly. It can involve planning out meals for a week or even a month. Why is meal planning important? Meal planning is important because it can save time and money, reduce food waste, and ensure that you're eating healthy, balanced meals. How to meal plan? To meal plan, start by deciding how many meals you want to plan for. Then, choose your recipes and make a list of the ingredients you'll need. Try to plan meals that use similar ingredients to minimize waste. Finally, schedule time to prepare the meals in advance. This can be on the weekend or whenever works best for you. What is grocery shopping? Grocery shopping is the process of buying the food and other household items you need for the week. Why is grocery shopping important? Grocery shopping is important because it ensures that you have the ingredients you need to prepare healthy, balanced meals. How to grocery shop? To grocery shop, start by making a list of the items you need. Try to stick to the perimeter of the store, where the fresh produce and other healthy items are located. Also, avoid shopping when you're hungry. This can lead to impulse buys and unhealthy choices. Finally, consider buying in bulk or using coupons to save money. So there you have it, two important aspects of healthy eating: meal planning and grocery shopping. Remember, these tips take time and practice, but they can have a huge impact on your overall health and well-being. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.